another bitch back.
Wait.
Thick as yellow bit for the suck of it. Got a bunch of niggas in prison bragging, saying it was nice. I used to hustle it. I display fashions while my lungs engage hashes. Guns on my waist past it. Taking up to funds in my face laughing, enjoying it. You did straight. Excuse the vulgarity. I'm still not fully adjusted. I'm used to the new fans hearing me spit rapidly. I never see the rich flicks be claiming and driving. I guess entertainment means blatantly lying. Fake it till you make it. I've driven those toys, been in the water, in the street, cops kicking and doors. Your flow cheap as limousine liquor. I'm no fake rap CD listener. Sit back and roll a mean switcher. For my D's, tell his clowns make room for the king, nigga.
I'ma keep it 100. That Nas felt real nice.
I can't get you out of my head.
Everything works, you're a real good song. I'm a real good verse, freestyle unrehearsed, so clean, no curse. And when the song's all made, everything hurts, so I put it in reverse. Go back to the scene where I see you first. Yeah, I need you to sing that single again. Put that video on the scene you again. 100 million spins in my mind all day. Calling it requests on the line always. Yeah, the pregnant end of the fan club. Leave them players on behind like a band. Like a time I didn't finish, so I finish it. How'd I get in it? Maybe what's your hair, maybe what's your player, maybe it's the heels and the way you wear, maybe it's your real and the way you care. You don't care if I'm ill or a millionaire. The only thing that matters that the feeling's there. It smells so bright, it's like it's grills in there. High all night, don't need a feel in there. You're killing me, I think I need a will in here. She got me feeling real skills in there. Hard to describe like it's feeling in there. Yo,